We're fucking rolling, Doug.
Play the guitar for a second.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, you good.
It's lit. Hey, we back, baby.
All right.
Hey! I hope it's in focus.
You want to do a test?
I did. Well, I focused it. We'll be all right. All right, here we go.
You're going to get to the end of these videos and be like, Brian, we got to start over again.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, whew. Liddy fucking titty. What's going on, guys? Billy. Someone just told me that they subscribed to my channel solely because I said I'd sprinkle COVID in their Cheerios. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. The fuck was that? Subscribe button and the notification button. Are we rolling?
Yep.
Bitch, I might be. Can't. I really can't.
I'm going to make you go 6 to midnight and leave you on red for 5 days.
What? Is that a saying?
6 to midnight?
Yeah.
Yeah, you never heard that?
No, but
Hey,
well, I mean, I get it. I didn't need the visual. I get it. It's an easier way of, like, it's a nicer way of saying I'm gonna murder you.
Yeah.
You're gonna
It's the non-demonetizing way of saying
I'm gonna murder him. But I'm saying it in a more politically correct, acceptable way, but still murder. Subscribe or you will see Jesus. I just need to, oh fuck, ow, I bit my tongue. I don't know how that happened at once. Rolling on these nuts. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell or else I'll just straight up murder you. Can I say that? If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the... It was so hard trying to send that kid the guitar. I think I ended up just sending him money. Like, I was like, here's the money I was going to spend on the guitar. Go buy you one.
Yeah.
Not drugs. But if you buy
want
drugs, here's money for it. Yeah. Just don't tell me that it's for drugs. And if it is, I'll write it in the memo on Venmo. If you're new here, click that subscribe button.
Please click that subscribe.
Please, if you don't click that subscribe button, I'll be very sad. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell or else I'll scorch your taint with a branding iron. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell or else I'll tear both your arms off and beat you to death with them.
That was good.
Is that too much?
No.
I'm always so worried I'm gonna get like flagged or something.
No, I like that one.
Okay, let me do it better. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to stick around, I really hope at some point during my YouTube career, somebody takes the time to go through all my videos and just chop all of the insults into one video.
There you go.
Or maybe I could do that. That would take so long. I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Somebody else do that.
You just have Justin Bieber on there.
Nailed it.
Now that shit?
Okay, nah. This is not happening today. Alright, today is a day of productivity and getting YouTube videos filmed so that I don't chop my own feet off.
The fuck was that?
I don't know, is someone dying? Is that lit? I like that chord.
It does things to my privates.
Your sergeant privates? Or your private sergeants?
Standing at attention.
Oh shit, will you shut the door all the way?
Oh, that's why we're hearing them completely.
Well, I mean, we'd probably hear them anyway because they're also loud as fuck, but...
We gave them an hour. It's been an hour and 10 minutes.
It's been an hour and 10 minutes! Yeah, we just need just all the shit to fuck up your video, I guess.
Pubic hair in your food.
That's not a good thing? Word? Hate the Way by Black Bear and fuck.
Easy.
Damn it. What's going on? Oh, shit. Look at my fingies.
Ouch.
Look at my fingies. Oh, it's
Ouch.
blurry. I need a new camera. Let me upgrade ya. I had a dream about Kim Kardashian last night.
Did you punch Kanye in the face?
No, he wasn't in it, which is also weird. But it was weird because, like, I met her and then we were at, like, a house of hers, like, in the hills somewhere with, like, a bunch of other people were there. And, like, we was just chilling. I was like, yo, what's up, Kim? Like, just chilling. Like, we was friends. I was, like, chatting over, like, coffee. And then there's a casino in there and people were wearing masks. And I was like, yo, you got a good setup. Oh, because then something happened and, like, all the houses were falling off the hill, like, into the ocean. It was...
But not hers.
No, hers, no. Like, we was in the house, and, like, I was in the house, like, watching all these other hills. Like, it was almost like... You ever see 2012?
I've seen clips, yeah.
How, like, all the land was, like, just moving and, like, just falling into an ocean. And I was like, oh, shit, we finna die. This is lit. Shit. It's 4 a.m. What do?
What that mouth do?
What that mouth do? Vacation bell, or else I'll double disco kick your wiener dog into a deep fryer. Today we're learning how to play... What's the name of this fucking song?
Or I'll beat your dick.
Beat it with both hands. Fuck it. We done. Yeah. That's funny.
That's trademarked.
That's funny. Yep.
Demonetized.
Yep. Immediately. NBC is gonna come in and shut me the fuck down.
They'll kill you.
Like, fuck those chords. Like, who does that?
Demonetized.
Immediately. Like, haven't even uploaded it yet. I just sign in right now and YouTube's like, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and shut this down. Done. Deuces.